Tuesday, August 11th. Jolie has her green fleece on with her bicycle helmet, and she is vacuuming. So it's and it's about 82 degrees outside, by the way. Hey Jolie, what are you doing? And yes, by the way, she picked out this entire outfit herself, and this is what she wants to do. Hi. Jolie, can you wave? Jolie, wave. Hi. Uh-oh. Oh, better get behind the chair. Can you get behind the sofa? Okay. You going in your room? Jolie. What you got? No more coats. We don't need to wear no more coats. Okay. Okay. Daddy has. Thank you. Thank you. Can Daddy put on? Can Daddy wear? Where are we going? Where are we going? You don't know? Where are we going? Ah! Hey. Where are we going? Where are we going? You don't know? Oh, you want the coat back?